Are you using AI in your project management? If not, this video is for you. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into an exciting topic that's reshaping the way we handle projects. Artificial intelligence in project management systems. Stick around to learn how AI is revolutionizing project management and making our lives easier. Let's face it, managing projects can be a nightmare with deadlines, resource allocation, and constant changes. But what if I told you AI could help streamline these processes? AI is more than just a buzzword. It's a powerful tool that's transforming industries by enhancing efficiency and decision-making. Let's explore how. So what exactly is AI in project management? Simply put, AI involves using algorithms and machine learning to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as scheduling, data analysis, and resource management. Some popular AI tools include project planning software, task automation systems, and resource allocation tools. These tools analyze vast amounts of data to predict outcomes and optimize processes. Traditional project management relies heavily on manual processes and human intuition. While effective, it can be slow and prone to errors. AI, on the other hand, offers real-time data analysis and automation, reducing errors and speeding up decision-making. For example, JP Morgan's COIN, Contract Intelligence, uses AI to analyze legal documents, significantly cutting down the time required for review and increasing accuracy. AI helps in selecting projects strategically by analyzing historical data and predicting potential outcomes. This ensures resources are invested in the most promising projects. By evaluating team capabilities and task requirements, AI can suggest optimal resource allocation. For instance, a study showed a 20% reduction in project duration through AI-optimized scheduling. AI can forecast potential issues and delays, allowing for proactive adjustments. This predictive power keeps projects on track and within budget. Automating repetitive tasks frees up your team's time for more critical activities. AI-driven tools can handle scheduling, updates, and even report generation. For example, AI can automate routine status updates and reminders, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks without burdening the team. AI tools like chatbots can facilitate better communication by providing instant responses and routing queries to the right team members. Platforms like Slack and Microsoft Teams integrate AI to streamline communication and improve collaboration efficiency. AI can analyze stakeholder interactions and feedback, helping project managers address concerns promptly and maintain stakeholder satisfaction. AI systems can predict and identify risks based on historical data and real-time inputs. For example, AI-driven risk detection can identify potential financial instability in a subcontractor, allowing proactive measures. With AI, decision-making is data-driven. AI provides actionable insights that help in making informed decisions quickly and effectively. AI empowers leaders by providing them with data and insights to make better decisions. It also reduces administrative burdens, allowing leaders to focus on strategy and innovation. Training is crucial for successful AI adoption. Teams need to understand how to use AI tools effectively to reap the benefits. AI helps track key performance indicators, KPIs, like project completion time, resource utilization, and budget adherence more accurately. Automated reporting tools provide real-time insights into project progress and areas needing attention. The future looks promising with AI advancements like predictive analytics, machine learning, and advanced automation set to further enhance project management. As AI continues to evolve, its role in project management will expand, driving efficiency and innovation. To sum it up, AI in project management is not just a trend, it's a game changer. From improving efficiency to enhancing decision-making, AI is transforming how we manage projects. Schedule your complimentary discovery call today at evepacificmedia.com and start your journey toward operational excellence. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest content designed to empower your business with cutting-edge AI solutions. Thank you for watching. Continue to embrace AI with us and transform your business. Until next time, keep innovating and keep evolving.